Hey guys, Tiffany here with High Seas Cruising with another edition of Tips from Tiffany. So today we are going to talk about dress code on the ship. Yes, some areas do have dress codes. Definitely in the buffet, they'd like you to wear shorts, cover up over your swimsuit, not run around in just your swimsuit or go topless in your swim trunks. So definitely you want to keep in mind what the dress codes are in the restaurants and throughout the ship. I know on formal night, it is an optional thing. Usually we do formal night, but there's a lot of times that we don't. And when we don't, we choose to eat in the buffet that night just so we don't, not necessarily upset people, but we're following the dress code in the main dining rooms. You also want to make sure that in the specialty restaurants, find out what their dress code is, because a lot of times they don't like tank tops. They want the gentlemen wearing like khaki shorts if they decide to wear shorts. They don't necessarily like the basketball shorts. The cruises we've been on, they don't necessarily enforce it, but you don't want to be there when they do and get denied access to that area until you change. So definitely you want to research, find out what the dress code is for the specialty restaurants, for the main dining area. I know the buffet is a lot more casual, so definitely check into that. If there are any tips that you would like to hear about or see, please leave a comment. Also, just on a side note, we are introducing a new channel. It is called High Seas Sounds. There is a link in our description, so if you'd like to take a look, it's a lot of just instrumental music, relaxing music. And if you'd like to hear some requests or make some requests, we can definitely put something together for you. Hope you have enjoyed this video and have a great rest of your weekend. And as always, we'll see you out on the high seas.